कि ये फैक्ट्री है करप्शन का, लैब है करप्शन का, बट व्हाट हैज हैपेंड दैट they have gone off to prove to the people of this country that Karnataka truly has become the most corrupt state in India. आप देखिए राय रेड्डी जी जो इकोनॉमिक एडवाइजर हैं चीफ मिनिस्टर के और एमएलए भी हैं, he has gone on paper in a meeting openly to say that Karnataka has become number 1 in corruption. And this doesn't come out of the blue. Even the revenue minister of Karnataka had gone on record to say that there is a lot of corruption in my department. This is earlier Bharatiya Janata Party and the leaders of the party, the workers of the party used to go and blame that there is a lot of corruption in Karnataka. Now forget all that. The people in power, the people who run the state are the ones who are saying that there is a lot of corruption in Karnataka. And this is very disturbing because this Karnataka happens to be the Khatakhat model of Rahul Gandhi. This is the model Rahul Gandhi wants to give to the country, the Karnataka model. आप देखिए कि आज early morning today, the Karnataka State Contractor Association has gone down and said that there are invisible hands which are there for passing of every contractor's bill. Rupees 32,000 crores is due in the department, and this invisible hand which the Congress party has mastered over the years, I will say over the decades, where is this invisible hand? लोग परेशान है कर्नाटक के अंदर में कि ये कौन सा हैंड है, किसको ग्रीस करना पड़ता है पाम टू गेट ऑल द मनीज क्लियर्ड. आप करप्शन को इंस्टीट्यूशनलाइज कर दिए हो. वहां पे सिर्फ बिग कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स आर द वंस हु आर गेटिंग द बिल्स क्लियर्ड. द मीडियम एंड द स्मॉल वंस आर स्ट्रगलिंग and they are out in the open. What has become of Karnataka politics today? It has become a politics number 1 in appeasement. This is the politics Karnataka and Rahul Gandhi model is giving to this country. Number 1 in appeasement, number 1 in looting and swindling of the public money, number 1 in derailing development projects, number 1 in giving bribes day in and day out for every small little thing. This is not what people, and let us all remember that while Prime Minister Modi was there in campaigning in Karnataka, he categorically said, this Karnataka, if Congress comes to power, is going to become the ATM of corruption and loot. And look how prophetic Prime Minister Modi's statement was. It has become the number 1 corruption place in the country. चोरी वहां पे एक इंस्टीट्यूशनलाइज हो चुकी है, एक्सेप्टेड फॉर्म हो चुका है वहां पे. एंड लुक एट इन कॉन्ट्रास्ट, लुक एट नरेंद्र मोदीज गवर्नमेंट. I mean, there is vikas for everybody, development all around. It could be infrastructure, road, space, science and technology, roads, bijli, you name it. And the Modi government is working towards that to ensure कि सबका all-round development हो. And in contrast, look what is happening in Karnataka. Corruption at its peak in an organized manner. They had promised so many things in elections. कि हम ये कर देंगे, हम वो कर देंगे. But what happens? Scams, kickbacks, or favoritism has become the order of the day. They had promised water crisis is there. They said कि सब पानी का problem solve कर देंगे. Look what has happened after the elections and the Congress government came to power. There is water crisis, electricity bill crisis, property tax crisis, stamp duty crisis, excise duty crisis, milk prices have gone up, road taxes on new vehicles have gone up, bus fares have gone up. What have they done to such a prosperous and such hard-working people who live in Karnataka? The common man is bleeding there. These corruptions which has come, what Raya Reddy ji, being the economic advisor, has said, has brought out in the open, is what BJP has been telling. But now BJP doesn't need to tell. It is only their own people who are going to tell all this, that corruption is all over the place. आप लोगों के माध्यम से, through all of you, we really want to make
आप देख रहे हैं लाइव न्यूज 19 99 राष्ट्र सबसे पहले।